Here's a street ride you won't see every day. 1939 Buick Coupe. This particular car has had just under 2,000 miles put on it since it was built. Local gentleman in our area that does some building built this one, decided to bring it to us to sell, and then he'll move on to his next project. As you can see, paint on it, very nice. Well, especially since it is so fresh. It's kind of a wine, a little bit of metallic in it, but very nice paint job done on this one. Now, a power plant. Great engine underneath that hood, LS1, 5.3 liter. That is paired with a 4L60E automatic transmission with overdrive. So you have the modern amenities to take down the road in a classic street rod look. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, the underside of this, the interior, and I'll tell you some more about this car as we go around. But check out the still pictures. Take your time looking through it. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website where you can see the pics. And of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Very distinguishing front end, very distinctive. You can see it coming down the road. If you know what a late 30s Buick is, this car will stand out. Of course, the hood can open from both sides with the latches being hidden right here. It can flip this way like a grand piano or from the driver's side. Now, some more features on this. It does have the Hydro Boost brake system to it. Has disc at all four corners. So 4-wheel power disc brakes, power steering. Also has vintage AC. Added to that 5.3 underneath the hood. I'll get around to the driver's side and show you the interior. Also very nice in this car. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Gentleman has put some miles on this too. Actually took it out to the Black Hills from where we're located at. It's a pretty good haul out and back. That's where a lot of the miles came from. You want to make a good run with it. Now, some of the other things on this, let me hit them. You do have an electric cooling fan helping to cool that LS1. Always will run at 185 degrees for the previous owner. AC on and everything. It does have air ride adjustable in the rear, so if you want to change that ride height, stance a little bit, depending on maybe on occupancy, you can change the rear suspension. There is an 8-inch forward rear end in it. As far as up front with suspension, you have a Mustang 2. It's a Fat Man Fabrications front clip. So nice setup on this, as you can see, dual exhaust, and we'll fire it up too. Good sounding car. Nothing over the top too crazy. It's very nice sounding. And remember now, when I check out those options I talked about, maybe see what the trunk looks like, interior, underside, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can find those pictures. Again, down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And once again, phone number 507-386-1726. Running boards, they did a nice job on this. Kept it color keyed, but it's got a little bit tougher texture. Won't quite scratch as easy as just having those painted. So nice job there on the build. Still has door handles both sides. Don't have to worry about the poppers, anything like that. All right. Come on the inside, and you see we got power windows. We also have a tilt column. Aftermarket gauges set into the original stock dash. Now there is a wiper switch down here. I don't know if you noticed earlier in the video, you'll see in the pictures. There is a wiper motor there. It does run the wiper arm and blade are not on it. And it's kind of a two-tone gray leather interior. You kind of have a silver and gray with the burgundy or maroon accents. So nice setup in here. Nice seats, nice little design here too. Center armrest. Got an armrest you can fold down. Again, this car would be a nice tripper. Don't be afraid to get in it and drive. Put some miles on it with an overdrive transmission. All right, let's go ahead and start this up. So there's the actual miles since the build, 1,806. Classic industry gauges. Nice having that fuel injection. Fires right up. Here's your air ride and your air ride switch. Everything is functioning there also. Controls for the AC. 3 vents coming across the dash. Boy, this is a smooth runner. Alright, let's go back here to the rear of it so you can hear it run. Like I said, nothing over the top, just a nice little rumble. I'm going to slip up to the front. Just pause this a second. Let me get them and open both sides of this hood so you can check out the engine bay and let's see how that looks. Alright, hood popped. There's the 5.3 LS1. And as you can see, smooth runner. Again, power steering, power brakes, 4L60E transmission paired with it, aluminum radiator, electric cooling fan. Flip around to this side so you can see it too. And again, previous owner stated ran it 185 degrees. All time he ran it, AC on or not. Yeah, you see nice setup underneath there. I can see how the hood opens on these. Be a great look at your local car show, cruise-ins, roll-ins. This one will definitely turn some heads. Alright, so there you go, 1939 at Buick Coupe Street Rod. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it, it's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And they may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.